My son lives at the house right there where that mess is, that reflector sign. And I saw a guy coming down his steps, black guy, bald, black coat, went to the back, and he just went back in with a rake or a broom in his hand. He can't go through the back because we nailed it shut. He's got to be in there.
Fixing drywall repairs, bathroom, you want to come and see?
Oh, so you got plumbing work?
Yeah, I got all this back here. He's supposed to be paying me.
He's working over here, so I mean, I never had a guy break into a house and work on it. Okay.
Hello, officer. Thank you for coming. My son lives at the house right there where that mess is, that reflector sign. And I saw a guy coming down his steps, black guy, bald, black coat, went to the back, and he just went back in with a rake or a broom in his hand. He can't go through the back because we nailed it shut. He's got to be in there.
What's going on at the house? It looks like they're putting stuff out.
My son lives there. He's in jail.
Okay. So there's a guy in the house, you don't know who he is?
No. Only me and two other people come. We've been cleaning.
Okay. I'll go find out who he is. Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
Not bad. Hey, whose house is this?
Dude named. Yeah.
That's his last name?
His name is Anthony.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Is he here?
No, he's not here right now. He should be back momentarily. I think he might be in jail. I don't know.
You think he might be in jail?
I think he might be in jail.
Okay. You don't live here, though?
No.
You work for him, or?
Yeah.
Did he send you here to work for him?
Yeah.
Okay. And what are you doing for him? Huh?
Just out there. Just
Yeah.
fixing drywall repairs, bathroom, you want to come and see? Nightmare. I got plumbing to do.
The reason I'm bothering you, do you know his mother?
Miss?
Yeah.
No, I don't know her. I know him.
Wow. She's down the street. She came to check on the house, and she basically called you in as a burglar.
Really?
So you don't look like a burglar to me. So.
Supposed to hear. I don't know where he's at.
Yeah, he's in jail.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Still?
Yeah, that's what she said. So she's been like hauling out to the curb, and so you got plumbing work
Yeah,
to
I
do.
got all this back here. He's supposed to be paying me.
Do you get paid up front?
He gave me what? 400 plus 75. 470. Well, he gave me 35 bucks on top of that.
Wow.
So, that ain't nothing.
How long's he been in? When's the last time you saw him?
I saw him about maybe a month ago.
Oh, okay.
He's supposed to be helping me.
With this? Or other stuff?
This, brakes.
Huh.
It's
Okay.
just, yeah, just let her know I'm fixing that.
Yeah, I'm going to let her know. She's right up the street.
And when's the last time she talked to him?
She's coming over right now. That way, she knows you and you know her and all that.
And when's the last time you talked to your son? Is he still in jail?
Yeah.
He's doing some work for your son.
What?
He's doing some work for your son.
Yeah, drywall repairs.
Who are you?
Rick.
Rick? I don't know you.
Rick's drywall.
Huh?
Rick's drywall.
He's actually working on the house in there.
Yeah.
Come again. I'm hard of hearing.
He's working on the house. Your son hired him.
My son hired you?
Yes.
When did he hire you?
About a month ago.
Did he give you a key and everything?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? We changed the locks.
On October 12th, 2023, Youngstown Police in Ohio responded to a citizen burglary call. But the suspect wasn't stealing. He was patching drywall and insisting the incarcerated homeowner had hired him.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I have the key. I was going to put that new lock set
can't-
on this one.
That's not true. We just changed the locks.
Okay.
We put a brand new thing. Somebody broke a window the other day, put their hand through there, and tripped the lock, got in, stole 7 bikes. Did you steal the bikes too?
No, I'm working. Look, the drywall. I mean, you see it?
I saw the chain.
You see
I
this?
was here yesterday. That fence was not like that.
He's working on the house.
He's not working on the
I
house.
just got here this morning. You see the drywall, man?
He's
It's right here.
Are you taking ownership of this
No,
house?
I'm just trying to help him for money.
paying
I'm
him.
just working.
Does he
I don't
know
want
my
any
son's in
problems.
jail?
Yes. And your son
I have
paid
my own
him.
tools. I promise you, I'm going to do a good job.
No.
Promise.
I don't know you from Adam.
Okay, well, if he's...
I'll wrap up and be out of here. As soon as you hear from him, please call.
I want to know how you got in the house if we just changed the lock on the door. That just happened a few days ago. No, he's lying.
I'm not lying.
Well, he's working over here, so I mean, I never had a guy break into a house and work on it. Okay. Okay. Do you have a key for the
I'm
house?
just trying to help.
Do you have a key for the house?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Why doesn't he tell his mother what you're doing?
You shouldn't go to jail.
Well, yeah, that would help too.
This place is a freaking nightmare. I mean, good luck. It's probably in here. I could have swore I had an individual key though.
Did you have to do this to get in?
No, that was already done.
Oh, okay. But you used the key to get in here today?
Yeah.
Hello.
He said something about putting new locks on. I assumed I was going to put this one on. So I don't know if that's the key. I mean, there's all these keys. I guarantee it. I'm not going to get paid. I mean, ask her if she wants to lock it up. I mean, the other keys
Well,
are
here's the
somewhere.
point.
I didn't do that.
If you came in here
I didn't do that.
and you used the key,
It's here somewhere.
okay,
I just didn't work it.
okay. So if you have a key, it's here.
Yeah, it's definitely here. I swore it was a loose key.
But if you didn't open the door with the key,
It's this one.
you
I
need
promise you. I used the key.
listen. If you didn't, you need to tell me that, okay?
I promise you.
Because he could still have told you go over there, just pop a window and work on the house. He could have told you that.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing drywall work. I didn't know that she was going to freak out like that. I mean, who breaks into a house and works on it? It doesn't even make sense. I mean, you could see she doesn't know me, but her son does. I mean, how did I know the last name? I could have swore it was a single key. You guys are more than welcome to come up. I apologize. I didn't know that she'd be stopping by.
So he's working or he's working?
He's got a plumbing thing going on upstairs. He's working on the plumbing. He's like, yeah, the guy hired me to do it. He gave me money. I'm over here. He's going to owe me money.
Yeah, she said, I don't know anything about it, and was talking to someone, have someone call her, and I thought it was this house down here, because they said she's parked in front of the house, just serving pop.
Yeah, she's like half a block up.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, she flagged me down up there. And I'm like, what the f***? She goes like, yeah, he's down the street. It's a guy. He keeps coming in and out of the house with a broom. He's got a plumbing job going up there. He's cutting drywall out here to patch the hole in the wall, but he can't seem to find the key he used to get in here. So he is a little screwy.
I give you my word. The key's here somewhere. I promise you, it's here. It's a single key.
Well, Rick, in the meantime, you have some ID on you? Because I'm going to have to, apparently, this is going to be a problem for me in one way or another.
I'm fine with that key.
Okay.
I already know she's not going to pay me.
Well,
I mean, if he's still in jail,
she don't know who you are, so she sure isn't going to pay you. But Rick, you got no ID with you? All right, what's your name?
Rick
Yep.
Burkheimer.
You got to spell that for me.
Burkiemer.
Your date of birth?
December 23rd, 1982.
You don't have a vehicle here?
No, I don't. My girlfriend dropped me off.
Oh, okay.
It was about my toes in.
Rick's Drywall is your business?
I mean, pretty much. It's a startup.
Okay, I got you.
I'm just trying to make some scratch, man.
I got you.
I don't understand why she wouldn't let me just, finish the bathroom.
Yeah. She doesn't know who you are. I assume she's talking to her son right now. Let me go run this and see.
Can I show you the key that I have to that door? Because I have the house key.
Okay.
And there's no way he could have gone in that house.
Well, he's in it.
When did you talk to him about doing this job?
About a month ago?
Okay.
He's working on pipes in the bathroom up by the bathtub. It's a plumbing job.
I already have a plumber working on that.
He's doing the drywall.
But the plumbing got to be done first before the drywall.
I'm telling you what I'm looking at. I don't know. He says he's working with your son, so I don't know. I'm going to figure out who he is, though. I'm going to run him.
Did you know he was going to be going to jail?
No, I did not.
Okay.
I mean, I thought he was in jail. I heard he was, but I thought he was going to get bonded out or whatever by now.
I got you.
Man, nobody breaks in and fixes up a house, dude.
No, not typically, but you'll be surprised how many times we've actually been on calls like this with people. They say they're working on houses and they're not. So, I'm not saying that you are. I'm just saying. I will say this: typically, if someone breaks in and they leave, they don't come back. So,
Yeah,
where you live at, bud?
they're on the corner.
Okay. You dropped your other key there. What's that go to your house?
Oh, no, this ain't my key.
Okay.
This is one of the ones off that ring.
Okay. So he talked to the owner of the house, you said a month ago?
Yeah, maybe a little over a month ago.
Come do work on the house. He's in jail. That's his mom. She doesn't know he was supposed to be doing any kind of work here or whatever. We're just trying to confirm that that's what's going on, so.
What's he have you doing?
Just plumbing repair upstairs.
Is it inside of the house as eccentric as is he outside of the house?
You want to come see? She needs all the work she can get done on this house. For her to throw me out,
So are you staying here while you work?
no, I just got to drop off this morning.
Well, either I'm totally f***ed up or you're giving me a line of What's your date of birth?
12/23/1982.
That doesn't come back to anybody named Berkheimer. So, want to try it again, or?
I mean, that's what it is.
Okay. You're inside somebody else's house, giving me information that doesn't match to a person. You understand where I'm coming from?
I know.
Okay. Tell you what, turn around and grab the wall.
This is a legal analysis. 5 distinct doctrines governed how this encounter escalated to lethal force. Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, officers may detain a person on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. A named citizen informant satisfies that threshold. Anonymous tips require corroboration. Identified witnesses carry legal accountability. The reporting mother placed her credibility on record. That reliability grounded every subsequent investigative decision. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.29 authorizes officers to demand identification during a lawful stop. Providing a false name violated Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.13, falsification to law enforcement. This is an independently arrestable offense distinct from the underlying burglary investigation. Confirmation that the locks had been recently replaced eliminated the suspect's stated method of lawful entry entirely. Reasonable suspicion escalated to probable cause under Ohio Revised Code Section 2911.12, burglary.
Turn around and grab the wall.
Come on. I mean, what did I do?
Turn around and grab the wall.
For what? I didn't do anything. I came to work.
Like I said, turn around, grab the wall. Back door.
No! I have a gun on me.
So do I.
I have a gun on me. Stop. Stop.
Code 0.
Stop.
You toss that gun on the ground right now. I will ventilate your ass.
I'm not.
Toss that gun down.
No.
Toss it. Toss the gun.
Up here.
Don't.
Long gun.
My real name is Rico Acevedo.
Rico,
Yes.
do not f this up. You understand me?
I don't care.
I understand you
I
don't
have nothing
care.
to live for.
Okay.
I'm just trying to make some money. My mom just died.
Okay.
I'm not doing this anymore.
All right.
The truth is, I'm in jail.
Okay. And he told you his house is empty.
He told me to come do some work on the house.
Okay. So why are you doing this right now?
Because I want to make money.
Well, a phone call can straighten that shit out. Why are you doing this right now?
Because I don't trust the police.
Oh, okay. Well, trust this. Toss that f***ing gun down or this is going to end very badly for you.
I don't care about that.
Okay.
I don't. I know where I'm going. I respect law enforcement. But this is wrong. Did you ever shoot somebody?
Yep.
Why are you going to have to shoot me? Because I'm not going to jail. You hear me?
Gotcha.
At least 3 times. You understand?
That's fine.
You got a cover?
Yep.
No time to work.
Give me the other one. All over. All over.
Affirmative radio. Notify the office. Send a 55. Okay, good. Go. That's it.
All right.
102, I am on scene. Let's keep this traffic to a minimum. All right, if you code 5, just don't put it over here. Just get there.
Burglary in progress.
Yeah, came as a burglar. Prowler progress.
Signal 1 now. To signal 1.
Did we clear the rest of the house?
No.
No.
Will you do me a
Jay.
favor?
You want me to
Will
clear?
you and Pat clear the rest of this house?
You're not breathing anymore.
Is there any other piece of evidence here?
There's shell casings back here.
Who picked up the gun? Who has the gun?
I haven't touched it.
This ain't his first rodeo.
No, I know, but
What was this guy thinking?
he didn't want to go to jail.
Yeah.
He said,
Lied about his
They're
information.
going to shoot me. I'm not going back to jail.
What the f*** is that?
That's what he had.
I got it.
That's what I got.
Looks like a sperm.
Is that what he had?
Yeah.
Now, Graham versus Connor, 1989, governs every excessive force claim under the Fourth Amendment. Reasonableness is measured from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight, not with information developed after the encounter concluded. The suspect announced possession of a firearm. That announcement, standing alone, transforms the entire legal calculus. Under Tennessee versus Garner, 1985, deadly force requires probable cause of immediate serious physical harm. The suspect's own announcement, refusal to disarm, and stated intent to force lethal force satisfied that threshold. Post-incident discovery that the object was a tool, not a firearm, does not alter the analysis. Plumhoff versus Rickard, 2014, holds officers need not wait to confirm a threat before responding. The 10th Circuit, in a state of Larson versus Murr, extended this principle to objects visually consistent with firearms. Perception, not physical reality, controls the reasonableness inquiry under settled Fourth Amendment doctrine. One Fifth Amendment distinction warrants emphasis. Silence is absolutely protected. False statements to police are criminalized. Under the collective knowledge doctrine, each accumulated fact compounds. Every escalation stage was legally grounded.
Go get this blood off of me. Martine wanted to debate me. When I say send another car, I mean send another car. Doesn't mean ask 15 questions.
I don't think he heard you because he kind of came over broken.
This one.
Yeah, I used to do MMA with me. He was also a very accomplished. He was also a very accomplished pro boxer.
Really?
Yeah, you would have had a hard time taking him. He was a one-punch knockout
His story
guy.
was probably legit. He probably has a warrant, which is why he didn't want to give his real.
Wasn't great at
Everything
MMA,
else was
but dude,
probably
I saw him lay
He's
some
been on
people.
dope for a while.
I saw him lay some
You guys
people.
watched that thing.
He actually fought professionally for a while.
Kind of looks like one.
Just keep it clear for the paramedics and whatever they need.
The responding officer earns an A- for procedural discipline, verbal warnings, and full adherence to Graham. The deduction reflects interior tactical positioning that limited defensive options during identification verification. Rico Acevedo earns an F. Every de-escalation off-ramp was constitutionally available. He refused each one. The reporting party earns an A. Observe, report, cooperate, do not intervene. Textbook civilian response. The Youngstown Police Department earns a B+. Solo response to a possible burglary warrants policy review. Beyond the legal grades, 3 broader lessons emerge, relevant to both law enforcement and the public. First, the Fifth Amendment protects your silence, not your fabrication. Lying to police is itself a crime. Second, announcing a weapon during detention converts every subsequent movement into a potentially lethal threat. Third, force reasonableness is judged at the moment of decision, never with hindsight under Graham versus Connor. For officers, procedural patience preserves both constitutional legitimacy and personal safety in every encounter. For citizens, the courtroom, not the sidewalk, is where police conduct is properly and effectively challenged. And for everyone, verbal indicators of crisis deserve compassion, but never license to accept lethal risk. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.